sanitary systems and pipe connections, there is one name you can rely on: GEBO. We have been solving problems in the trade since 1936. Our solutions save working time and offer reliable quality. With a wide range of products, from our original cast malleable iron compression fittings to customized solutions, we are always close to our customers, accessible and approachable. At our locations in Europe, you will experience what teamwork means. Our engineers use the latest CAD technologies in development and design. In production, our employees carefully assemble and check every detail. Our production processes include everything from manual assembly to machining to automated processes using robots. Our products, such as the GEBO Original, are used all over the world. Whether for small repairs or large projects, craftsmen rely on our solutions. Because when you choose GEBO, you get a solution that has been tried and tested for decades and offers a wide range of possible applications. Our quality control ensures that every item meets the highest standards. Thanks to our optimally positioned warehouse logistics in Europe, fast deliveries are guaranteed. At GEBO, you don't talk to an anonymous call center, but directly to the people responsible, who understand and can solve your problems in your national language, personally and directly. Browse through our catalog and get in touch with your wholesaler. Discover why GEBO solves more than just a problem. GEBO fits better.